Hello, and in this tutorial we are going to show you how to post a WordPress blog. So you go on the left side where it says posts, and this is where all of your posts will reside. So these are all your past posts, and you can see that we have a title for a post, we have the author of the post, we have the categories that we're going to put the post into, and I'll explain that a little later. We have the tags, and I'll explain the tags later. We have the date we published it. This is if we have shared it on LinkedIn or not. Now these last three are the SEO titles and descriptions and keywords, and these are really important, and we have a whole other video going over SEO. So now to create a new post, you're going to click on the Add New Post button. Okay, so here, this is where we're going to copy the text that we created earlier. So we have our heading that we created, so we're going to copy that and we're going to paste it over here. And since we're already here now, we're going to also paste it down in our SEO title. And again, we'll go over the SEO in a little more detail. You can use the same title or a different title depending on what you want, but again, we'll go over that in another video. So now what we're going to do is we're going to copy the rest of the text and we're going to paste it into the body of the post. We need to make sure that we're on the visual tab and not on the text tab when we do this. And then we're going to right click and paste. And now we're going to want to save this as a draft. So at this point you've created your first blog post, and we still got a lot of stuff to clean it up, make it look better. We got some formatting to do, we got some images to add, we have a list that we need to create, and at this point you can copy your first paragraph and then paste it into the SEO description, which is below. And if you notice, it says that this needs to be 230 to 320 words, and right now we have 595, so we kind of need to change this. Once you change it, you'll see a preview snippet of what this will look like when somebody searches for you on Google. So this is what they're going to read when they find this blog post, and this blog post will bring them back to your website. So on the right side you can see we have categories. This is the category you want to put this post in. So right now we're going to put it in tips and advice, decorative concrete, and stamped concrete. You can also add it to featured. Just make sure you do not add this to the portfolios, because the portfolio will be used for your photo gallery, and we'll show you that later also. And don't forget to save the draft. Well, thank you for this video, and in the next video we're going to show you how to do some formatting on this post.